ज्योतिष के क्षेत्र में अपनी सफलता का परचम लहरा चुके ज्योतिष गुरु श्री के.एन. राव के हाथों मेडल से सम्मानित, अपनी सटीक भविष्यवाणी के लिए सुप्रसिद्ध और ज्योतिष अलंकार एवं ज्योतिष आचार्य अवार्ड से सम्मानित ज्योतिष आचार्य रमन जी।
Hello friends, this is Acharya Raman, Vedic astrologer since last 20 years. Today we'll do monthly horoscope for October 2021, and to start with we'll take natives with Aries sign. And to know what is coming in October for these people with respect to their careers, love and relationship, finance and health, and at the end of it remedies to overcome these problems. So friends, let us start our video, and if you like it, then at the end of it please do comment on it, share it, like it, and also please do subscribe to my channel. So friends, let us start our topic, monthly horoscope for October 2021, Aries sign. As you can see, the transit chart of October 2021 is the transit chart given here for October 2021. Now regarding the career, the planet Saturn is present in the 10th house of Capricorn, which represents your profession and the career. The transit of Saturn suggests that you will have to work extremely hard, but the presence of 9th Lord Jupiter with 10th Lord Saturn in the 10th house, Jupiter is also present in the 10th house with 10th Lord Saturn, making a Neech Bhang Raj Yoga will give you success after the initial setbacks. Also, Sun is present in the 6th house with the ascendant Lord Mars, and also the combination of these two fiery planets in the house of job can create fights and arguments at the workplace. But after 16th of October, Sun will transit to the 7th house and will get debilitated. Then the things may start to calm down. But for the first 2 weeks of the month of October, person in job are advised to keep their tempers down. For people in business, after 1 day of October, 7 Lord Venus will transit to 8th house. After 1st of October, Venus will transit to the 8th house with Ketu, which can cause financial problems suddenly. Also, after 16th of October, Sun will come to the 7th house in Libra, which is the debilitated sign of Sun, along with 6th Lord Mercury and aspected by malefic planet Saturn. It can cause clashes between the partners due to ego problem between them, and it is possible that there might be breakup in the partnership. So you have to be very careful about it and keep yourself calm in the second half of the month of October. But people doing business connected with foreign countries will have gain, as there will be combination of 9th and 12th Lord Jupiter with 9th and 12th Lord Jupiter with 10th and 11th Lord Saturn in the 10th house, where Saturn would be also aspecting the 12th house of foreign journeys. So abroad journeys due to profession would be there, and also the native would gain from them. Now regarding the financial point of view, the planetary position indicate this month will remain generally favorable from the financial point of view. But due to the placement of Rahu in the 2nd house of finance, of your savings may get awry, and it could be due to some sudden expenditure. But since Jupiter is also aspecting your 2nd house of saving from the 10th house, you will be able to manage things. Also, there could be some sudden expenditure, as 2nd Lord Venus will travel to 8th house after 1 day in the month of October. Meanwhile, those into business will need to take finances as loans, as 6th Lord Mercury is placed in the 7th house and 7th Lord Venus would be in the 8th house with Ketu. After 16th of October, Sun will also transit to the 7th house in Libra sign, which is the debilitated sign of Sun, thus making things all the more worse for you. Now regarding the love and relationship matters, for love and relationship, the month of October is not favorable as 7th Lord Venus will move to the 8th house after one day in October, and it would be with the shadow planet Ketu, which can create misunderstanding between the lovers. Also, the aspect of Saturn on the 7th house along with the placement of 6th Lord Mercury in your 7th house will create clashes, fights and arguments between the two of you. You should remain careful as breakup is most likely to follow during this time. After the 16th of October, Sun will also transit to the 7th house in Libra, which is debilitated sign of Sun, along with the 6th Lord Mercury and the aspected by another malefic, which would be Saturn, and this period will be very tough and challenging for the married native as there could be too much of fights and clashes between husband and wife due to ego problem between the two of you. So you should try to remain calm and avoid unnecessary arguments. Single would not find any luck in finding their love mate as 5th Lord is placed in the 6th house along with another fiery planet Mars, and also after 16th of October, 5th Lord Sun will transit to the 7th house and will get debilitated and aspected by Saturn as well. So no luck for finding your love mate in the month of October. Now regarding the health point of view, this month will remain ordinary in terms of health as ascendant Lord Mars would be placed in the 6th house along with another fiery planet which is Sun. Also the aspect of 6th Lord Mercury onto the ascendant from 7th house, due to which some skin problems can erupt. There may also be problems in your chest or lung due to Saturn aspecting the 4th house. After 16th of month of October, Sun, which is a natural significator of physical body, will be aspecting your ascendant, and as a 5th Lord there could be some stomach problem. But the aspect of Jupiter on your ascendant Lord Mars, although debilitated, but still the aspect of benefic Jupiter would keep the things moving. So there will be no major ailment, but you should still pay attention to your diet and exercise. Now the remedies would be do the mantra for Mars for health problems and also do the Venus mantra for relationship problems. Also friends, these remedies are general remedies in nature. For specific remedies, I need to see the chart in totality, then only I can recommend any specific remedy for a native. Hope friends you like my video, and if you did like it, then please do comment on it, share it, like it, and also please do subscribe to my channel. And if you need any consultation from me, you can WhatsApp me on 9911351351, or you can log on to www.astrologeraman.com. Thank you friends.
अगर आप भी समस्याओं से परेशान हैं और समाधान पाकर अपने जीवन को सुखमय बनाना चाहते हैं, तो जाने माने ज्योतिषाचार्य आचार्य रमन जी से मिलकर इन सभी समस्याओं का समाधान प्राप्त करें। 3341 सेक्टर 23 हुड्डा, गुड़गांव, हरियाणा 122001। हमारे कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स हैं 09911 351 351, 08130 201 201। हमारी वेबसाइट है www.theindianastrologer.com।